Hello everyone, we are the team De facto Cryptus and here is the demonstration of our website. As we all know about fake medicines, these medicines not only make the consumers pay for the products that have very little or no medicinal value, but they can also lead to unresolved health problems and even death. So in order to stop the counterfeited medicines, we came up with a solution, that is our website, FakeCupio. So as we navigate to our website, we have three login pages for consumer, manufacturer and supplier respectively. So since I have already registered as a consumer, I am logging in with that credentials as of now. So hereby I have logged in successfully. Now I have to upload the QR code image here. So this image will be present in the medicine which I buy. So as I submit here I am getting my batch number, medicine name, dosage and the company name, manufacturing date and expiry date. So from this I verify that my medicine is not fake. So coming back to the manufacturer page, so here I registered as a new manufacturer. So hereby my account is created successfully. So when I register as a manufacturer for the first time, I have to fill this form, manufacturer registration form, where I have to upload the manufacturer's name, email address, company name, company address, postal code, number of medicines manufactured in a year, phone number and the government license, and we have to register. So I am uploading the government license which I have, and I have been successfully registered as a manufacturer in this website. Now, using the credentials I have used here, I am logging in as the manufacturer. So I have been logged in successfully. Now, this upload page is asking me for the Excel sheet where I have to upload the details regarding the medicine which the company supply. That is the company name, medicine name, dosage of the medicine, total medicine supplied, batch number, etc. So here my document has been uploaded successfully. Now if I click download button here, in the Excel document which I have uploaded, the QR codes are automatically generated and sent to it. So moving on to the supplier page, I am registering here as a supplier. So hereby I am registered as a supplier successfully. Since I am registering here for the first time, I have to fill this form as a so hereby I have successfully registered as a supplier. Now, the supplier, after getting the medicine from the manufacturer, will upload the QR code and check the correctness of the medicine, whether the medicine which he has is fake or not. After which, he'll supply these medicines to the consumers. So hereby I've received my medicine name, dosage, company name, manufacturing ID, and manufacturing date and expiry date of the medicine. So here's the About Us page where we have given a short info about what is our website is all about. So as I said before, Fake UPO is a product authentication website which helps in stopping the counterfeited medicines. So it has helped a lot of users in preventing from buying fake medicines. So we are also having our voice assistant Crypto, which makes the navigation work in our website very easier. And here is the contact us form where the user can write their feedback to us. And here is a blog website where the news articles related to the fake medicines are uploaded regularly so as to create awareness about how fake medicines affect the human beings. So here's a voice assistant Crypto which makes the navigation in our website really easier. So if I ask my voice assistant how to log in to our website, it will ask me whether I'm a manufacturer, consumer, or a supplier. So if I give consumer, then it will instruct me how to log in our website. So that's about the demonstration of our website. Hope you all like it. Thank you.